a tutti, bentornati a Learn Italian channel. This is a free online Italian learning course for beginners. In the previous lesson, you have learned some food containers. There was also a question. How do you say a packet of butter? A. Un pacco di burro. B. Un pacchetto di burro. The correct answer is B. Un pacchetto di burro. In today's lesson, you will learn some and any. Let's start. There are many words in Italian which mean some and any. But in today's lesson, I will show you just one word, which is the partitive. The partitive means both some and any. The partitive is di plus definite article. It must match the gender and the number of the noun. Let's see the contractions of the partitive. For masculine singular, di plus il, del. Di plus lo, dello. Di plus el with apostrophe, del with apostrophe. For feminine singular, di plus la, della. Di plus el with apostrophe, del with apostrophe. For masculine plural, di plus i, dei. Di plus li, degli. For feminine plural, di plus le, delle. They all mean some and any. There isn't any distinction between some and any. And there isn't also any distinction between countable and uncountable nouns. Note that the partitive is used in interrogative sentences and affirmative sentences, but it can't be used in negative sentences. Let's see some examples. Avete del latte? Do you have any milk? Sì, abbiamo del latte. Yes, we have some milk. No, non abbiamo latte. No, we don't have milk. Posso mangiare dello yogurt? Can I eat some yogurt? Sì, puoi mangiare dello yogurt. Yes, you can eat some yogurt. No, non puoi mangiare lo yogurt. No, you can't eat yogurt. Vuole del vino? Would you like some wine? Sì, voglio del vino. Yes, I want some wine. No, non voglio il vino. No, I don't want wine. Abbiamo della farina? Do we have any flour? Sì, abbiamo della farina. Yes, we have some flour. No, non abbiamo farina. No, we don't have flour. Now I have a quiz for you. How do you say, do you have any money in Italian? A. Hai dei soldi? B. Hai del soldi? You can write the answer in my Instagram account or in the comment box on my YouTube channel. My Instagram is learn_Italian20. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, and comment on my YouTube channel and on any podcast app. In the next lesson, you will hear a dialogue at the supermarket. Grazie, a presto!